Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can get or how you can unlock the legendary right back or full back from Brazil, Marcos Cavu, in EA Sport FC Mobile 24. So before we start, I made this video is for beginner or new into this game. Still confusing how you can challenge the event or complete the quest so you can get ton of rewards from this game. Okay, let's get started. This one, new campaign or new live event, CONMEBOL Libertadores event, tap, and welcome to CONMEBOL Libertadores event. So in this event is special from for South America and Central America player or league or cup like this. So you can tap the glory, the second one, this one, Marcos Cavu. You can get this 90 OVR, quite good, right back from Brazil, with work rate, attacking height, and work rate defense medium. CONMEBOL Libertadores icon player. Here you can see the trait, the attribute also, and this is the summary of this player. Let's get back. You can unlock this Cavu after, let's get back first, unlock after collecting a player. This is the final reward, so you can get this Cavu until collecting this a player from Tevez until Alcaraz. Just play this CONMEBOL Libertadores event every day so you can get this Marcos Cavu. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.